some sound effects into our little practice video here. So if you can guess where we're going to get sound from, it's from the little music symbol over here in our effects browser. So go ahead and click on that music symbol. We have a couple options here. So iTunes, you're probably not going to have anything in your iTunes library, so we're not going to use that. We are just going to use these two folders on the top, the Final Cut Pro sound effects and the iLife sound effects. So these are the same sounds that you had available in Logic. So if you hit the little arrow next to the folder, it'll break it down into categories for you in both of those folders. So I'm just going to go ahead and go into animals. And so if you want, you can get a little preview of the sound. So let me go into explosions here, go to preview. So I'm going to grab this, and I like to keep my sounds on the track below my videos. So I'm just going to put an explosion at the beginning of my video, and I'm going to play that. So go ahead and put some sound effects throughout your whole video here. Put them on the track right below your video.